Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that we were studying the chapter exponents, and in this chapter the exercise was about to finish. So we have to start from question number 15. In yesterday's content we have solved till question number 14. So today we have to start from question number 15. So question number 15 of the exercise 5A is of simplification. In this question you have to simplify, right? So I will be solving this question, and sorry for the inconvenience faced by all the students because I have not sent the videos from 2 days, right? So this question is 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 25 upon 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 6 to the power of 5. This is the question. Now what we have to do? Whenever you are solving the questions related to exponents, you have to check that the powers or the base, you have to check that can you make the same base for the numerator and the denominator. If you can make the same base, then it will be simplified easily. So as you all can see that this is 10. This number is 10. So can we write it like this? 5 2s are 10. We all can write 10 like this because 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Correct? And to the power of 5 because 10 to the power of 5. So 10 can be written as 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. Now 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 because we all know that 5 5s are 25. So 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2. Right students? Now coming to the denominator. In the denominator also 5 to the power 7. It is already, we cannot split 5, but can we split 6? क्या आप 6 को स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं? Yes, definitely 6 can be split like this. 2 multiplied by 3. 6 can be split like this. 2 multiplied by 3. Now 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Now you have studied the laws of exponents, and as per the laws of exponents, a multiplied by b to the power of n is equals to an multiplied by bn. The power is multiplied, right? So here also the same thing is going to be happen. The same thing will happen in this option also. Now let me rub this. Now it will be 3 to the power of 5. Now 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. Now coming to the denominator, it is 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 5. Now we have already split the numerators and the denominators to make the base same. Now you have to check if there are same bases. In multiplication the powers are added, and when it is divide the powers are subtracted. So as you all can see that this is also 5 and this is also 5, and both the 5 are in multiplication. दोनों के दोनों 5 आपस में क्या हैं? They are in multiplication. So the powers will be added. So 5 to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of 2. So the powers will be added. Now please tell me 5 plus 2 is 7. So here the answer will be 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. This is the numerator. Now coming to the denominator part. Can we add any powers over here? No, there is no same base. So it is 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Now let me rub the upper portion in order to avoid any confusion and write the last step clearly over here so that you can see it easily, आपके लिए आसान हो और आप अच्छे से देख पाएं. Okay? So the last step is 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 upon 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Now you have to check whether it can be reduced or not. Can we reduce something over here? Definitely the whole fraction can be reduced. 3 to the power of 5 will be reduced from 3 to the power of 5. दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. 5 to the power of 7 will be reduced from 5 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 5 will be reduced from 2 to the power of 5. So what is the answer of this simplification question? The answer is 1. What is the answer? The answer is 1. Now coming to the next question, the question which I have solved in the video just now has to be done in the maths classwork copy. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 16. This is also of simplification. So you have to understand the question very clearly in order to obtain the value of n. Because during the exams, अगर आपको ऐसे questions आते हैं तो they will not come directly from the maths book. The digits will be changed, right? तो आप लोगों को उसकी better practice के लिए you have to solve the examples also in the rough copy if you want. So 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of n, correct, upon 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2. Now as you all can see that this is 16, this is 2, this is 4, this is 2. This is 16, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. So what number is more visible? Which number is repeating itself many times in this simplification question? Yes, you all are right. 2 is repeated many times. So what we have to do? We have to consider the base 2 and convert each and every number with this base, if possible. So we all know that 16 can be converted by base 2. So 16 can be written as, 16 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write 16 as 2 to the power of 4. क्या लिख सकते हो आप? 2 to the power of 4. Why 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4? हम लोग इसको 2 to the power of 4 इसलिए लिख सकते हैं because once we are multiplying 2 4 times it is 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 1, right? Multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 1. Now 4 can be written like 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of n. 4 को आप लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power of 2. Now the denominator 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 to the power of 1. I have already told you whenever a number is written and there is no power given in that number, then by default the power will be considered as 1. हम power को क्या मान लेंगे? 1 मान लेंगे. So 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2. Now we have made the bases same. Once the bases are same, the powers can be easily added. ठीक है? तो जब आप add करेंगे तो n plus 1 plus 4 क्या हो जाएगा आपका? n plus 1 plus 4. तो n plus 1 plus 4 minus 2 to the power n plus 2. n plus 2 upon 2 to the power n plus 2 plus 4 minus 2 to the power n plus 2 plus 1. Why I have taken plus 1? Because this is 2 to the power of 1. So I have added the power as per the laws of exponents. Now let me write the next step over here. Now once you will add the powers, it will become 2 to the power of n plus 5 minus 2 to the power of n plus 2 upon 2 to the power of n plus 6 minus 2 to the power of n plus 3, right? So what we have obtained over here, 2 to the power of n plus 5 minus 2 to the power of n plus 2 upon 2 to the power of n plus 6 minus 2 to the power of n plus 3. Now we have to check that what can be taken as common. यहाँ पे क्या common लिया जा सकता है in order to simplify and reduce it. So please pay attention students. So students, what can be taken as common over here? As you all can see that which is the least power over here. जो सबसे छोटी पावर होती है वही आप कॉमन लेंगे. So which power is the least power? यहाँ पे सबसे छोटी पावर कौन सी है? Which one is the smallest? n plus 5, n plus 2, n plus 6 or n plus 3? Obviously n plus 2 is the smallest power, the least power over here. So we are going to take 2 to the power of n plus 2 as common. 2 to the power of n plus 2 को आप क्या ले लेंगे? कॉमन ले लेंगे. तो जब आपने 2 to the power of n plus 2 कॉमन ले लिया, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म आपका है. तो जब आप 2 to the power n plus 5 में से n plus 2 निकाल लेते हैं तो क्या बचेगा आपका? n+2 में आप क्या ऐड करेंगे कि वो n+5 बन जाए? What must be added to n+2 to make it n+5? Obviously 2 to the power of 3 जब आप ऐड करेंगे 2 to the power of 3 because n+2 plus 3 is going to make n+5. So it will become n+5. So I have taken n+2 as common. So 2 to the power 3 is left over here. Now -1. Why I have written 1 over here? Because 2 to the power of n+2 जब ये आपका 1 से multiply होगा तो same thing is going to be obtained. Now coming to the denominator part. Again we have to take 2 to the power of n+2 as common. So 2 to the power of n+2 once I will take common from here. तो 2 to the power of n+6 में से अगर आप n+2 निकाल देते हैं तो क्या बचेगा? प्लीज़ टेल मी. इफ़ यू नो द आंसर यू कैन रिप्लाई टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. 2 to the power of n+6 में से इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग आउट 2 to the power of n+2 व्हाट इज़ लेफ्ट? क्या बचेगा आपका? n+2 में जब आप 2 to the power of 4 ऐड करेंगे बिकॉज 2 + 4 is 6. So 2 to the power of 4 is left over here, right? माइनस नाउ n+2 है आपका यहाँ पे n+3 में से अगर आप n+2 निकाल देते हैं तो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग आउट n+2 फ्रॉम n+3 व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर हेयर? क्या बचेगा आपका? n+2 + 1 यानी 2 to the power of 1 बिकॉज 2 + 1 is 3. We will obtain n+3 after multiplying this. So now we have taken 2 to the power of n+2 as common. Now it will be simplified. It will be cancelled because the numerator and denominator is same. Now this bracket portion will be solved. So we all know that 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 1 upon, now we all know that 2 to the power of 4 is 16 and 16 minus 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So now after solving this much, let's see what is left. 8 minus 1 is 7, 16 minus 2 is 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are. What is left after the simplification? After the simplification 1 upon 2 is left. So answer of question number 16 is 1 upon 2. So I hope you must have understood students. अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चंस आपको ऑडियो के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करती तो आपको समझ ना आते. दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ वीडियो, राइट? Now coming to the next question, that is question number 17. So question number 17 is find the value of n. We have to find out the value of n. 3 options are given to us. So how will we proceed? Let's begin with the first option. 5 to the power of 2n multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 5 to the power of 9. Now in this types of question what you have to do? As you all can see that the base is same. 5, 5, 5. So I have already told you once the bases are same, जब आपके base same होते हैं then you can equate the powers. So powers can be equated. Now in multiplication the powers are added. So it will be 2n plus 3 is equals to 9. Now this plus 3 when it will go on the right hand side it will be minus 3. Now it is 2n is equals to 6. Now this n, this 2 is in multiplication with n. Once it will go on the right hand side it will be in divide. So now what is the value of n? The value of n is 3. What is the value of n? The value of n is 3. So I have done option number 1. Now coming to the next option, that is option number 2. So option number 2 is 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2 is equals to 32. So which is the least number over here? The least number is 2. So we have to make the base as 2. आप कोशिश करेंगे जो सबसे छोटा नंबर हो या जो सबसे छोटी पावर हो आप उसी को कॉमन लेंगे and you will try to make the base as the smallest number. So 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of n plus 2 is already there. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. Now why 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5? हम इसे क्यों लिख सकते हैं? Because once you are multiplying 2 5 times you will obtain 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. Now all the bases are same. This is also 2, this is also 2, this is also 2. Now can the powers be equated? क्या powers को equate किया जा सकता है? Definitely the powers can be equated and you can find the value of n easily. But I am not going to find out the value for you. यहाँ पे अब ये जो value है वो आप खुद निकालेंगे in the maths class for copy. I was giving you a hint for the question. Now coming to the third option. इसमें भी मैं आपको hint दूंगी and you have to find out the answer. So it is 6 to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 36 is equals to 6 to the power of 3. Right? Is this the question? क्या यही question है आपका? Yes. So as you all can see that which is the minimum number over here? The minimum number is 6 and 36 can be written as 36 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? With base 6. If you know the answer, you can reply to me in the comment section. 36 can be written as 6 to the power of 2 and 6 to the power of 3 is already given. Now 6, 6, 6. All the bases are same. Now can we equate the powers? Definitely we can equate the powers and this is a symbol of divide. यहाँ पे आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता था तो वी यूज टू ऐड द पावर्स. नाउ दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ डिवाइड. तो हमें क्या करना होगा? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? इफ यू नो द आंसर यू कैन रिप्लाई टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द पावर. नाउ आफ्टर दिस 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 3. Now plus 1 minus 2. Plus minus minus sign of the greatest number. So it will be 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. Correct? Now this minus 1, once it will go on the right hand side, it will become 2n is equals to 3 plus 1. Now the next step will be 2n is equals to 4, n is equals to 4 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the value of n is 2. Why this 2 came over here? Because this 2 was in multiplication with n. Once it went to the right hand side, it was in divide. Okay? So I hope you must have understood option number 3 also. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 18. Last question of this exercise. After this there are so many multiple choice questions in the chapter, but yes there are so many examples also. अगर आपको कोई भी example ना समझ में आया हो तो you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain that example again. Okay? There is one more exercise in this chapter, expressing the large numbers in their standard form. So I will be explaining it afterwards. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 18. It is if 2 to the power of n minus 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 is equals to 1250, find the value of n. Hint is also given to you. इसमें आपको hint दी हुई है पर ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एग्जाम टाइम में भी आपको hint मिले. तो as per the question, it is 2 to the power of n minus 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 is equals to 1250. Correct? Now we all know that this is n minus 4 and this is n minus 7. तो आप n minus 7 को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं n minus 4 minus 3. 2 to the power of n minus 4 and minus 3. हम लोग इसको ऐसा इसलिए लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें n minus 4 हमें पावर सेम चाहिए. We have to make the power same. Right? So now n minus 4 minus 3. अब आप इसको सेपरेटली लिखेंगे तो it will be 2 to the power of n minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 is equals to 1250. अब 2 to the power of minus 3 means you have to take the inverse. आपको क्या लेना पड़ेगा? इन्वर्स लेना पड़ेगा. So it will be 2n minus 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4. आपका अपॉन में जो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा 2 to the power of 3 जिसे आप कहेंगे 8 is equals to 1250. Correct? Now this 8 is in divide. ये आपका divide में है. Once it will go on the right hand side, जब ये आपका right hand side में जाएगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? It will be in multiplication. So it will be 2 to the power of n minus 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 is equals to 1250 1250 multiplied by 8. Up to here everybody has understood? Yes. Now what will be the next step? Since both the powers are same, मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था a multiplied by b to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. तो इसका अपोजिट भी लिखा जा सकता है. Now can we write like this? 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 because both the powers are same. Now 1250 को जब आप 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे you are going to obtain 10,000. क्या मिलेगा आपको? 10,000. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. Right? So this is the answer. Now 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power of 4. Now we all know that 2 5s are 10. So 10 to the power of n minus 4 is equals to 10 to the power of 4. Since the base are same, अब हमारे base same हो गए. Now can we equate the powers? Definitely the powers can be equated. Now n minus 4 is equals to 4. Now this minus 4, once it will go on the right hand side, it will be plus 4. So what is the value of n? The value of n is 8. So I hope you must have understood up to here. So if there are any problems, any queries, you can comment down in the comment sections. That's all for today. Have a nice day, students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.